Hey guys, how's it going? If this is the first time you're on my channel, you can do me a favor. Just look down there and hit that subscribe button. That'd be cool. And if you like what you're going to see, I'd appreciate it if you come back and maybe hit the like. So let's get moving into this. Now, if you're here, you've probably seen one of my links someplace, or different things that I've put out where I've talked about how you can create 100 leads and get them every day for $1 a day. And that is exactly what I'm talking about. You will get 100 leads per day for $1 a day. Now, let me show you a little bit more about it and how it works. Let's jump over to here. Now, this is the page that I have down in the information down below that you can click on the link, and when you get over here, all you have to do is join MLGS, which is simply my lead gen secret. It's an amazing system, and it, like I said, it does give you 100 leads every day at $1 per day. Now, maybe you're wondering, I would guess, that are they very good leads? Well, they are. In fact, I think really good leads, because these are people that have been, let's just say, promoted to find out and questioned whether or not they would be interested in receiving emails. And these are people that wanted to see emails and are looking to make some kind of money online. Now, I don't know what program you're in. You could be, for example, if you need leads to send out, you could be in JVZoo, you could be in Warrior Plus. I use ClickBank. They're all basically the same. They're a small ticket kind of thing. And over time, you can really make some decent money doing this. So turning somewhere between $2 to $5 grand a month, it'll take you a while. Okay, so you're getting 100 leads a day and you got to build that up. There's ways to build it up faster, and there'll be a link down below. There's a series that I've created that you can actually see what I do over my shoulder as I go through and create this whole process. Now, that being said, when I mentioned that it's going to take some time, this is not a get rich quick kind of thing. Plus, if you're using ClickBank or Warriors Plus or JVZoo, they're not what you would call a high ticket item. They're low ticket, so you're not making a lot. But the idea behind that is that at some point when you're sending out to 5,000, 10,000 people, you're going to be generating more and more sales. All right. So it's a way to get started into a passive income. So for example, let's just say you've been doing this for 6 months and you're making, I don't know, let's just say you're making $2 grand a month. How's an extra $2 grand a month going to help out with your budget? Because it'll pay a car payment, it'll pay a house payment, so that'll be out of the way. But at the same time, you're doing this in like under 30 minutes a day. I mean, you're just getting an email and popping it out to your different, if you have different accounts, you can pop it out to different accounts. I actually do 5 accounts. Not everybody does that. Some do 3, some do 7 as much. You can do it with 1 account. It just takes a little bit longer. The only reason guys like me are doing 3 or 5 or 7 accounts is because you can grow those leads. Instead of, hypothetically, instead of getting 100 a day, I could be getting 500 a day, or I could be getting 700 a day. And that grows faster. And the faster it grows, the quicker the sales pop into your account. So now let's jump over. Let's just say that you've clicked onto this, right? And this will pop you right over to, actually, you've joined, and this is where it comes into play, where you're going to see and you're going to log in from every day. So you drop down here, hit the members login, and you can have various accounts, as you can see. So you just log into that account, and without getting crazy into all of these different things that you don't really need to know about, you can play around with them and look at them, check them out on your own. The two important ones are this one and this one. These are the two that basically help you out the most. This one more than this one. This one actually creates it. This one follows it. So let's hit this. And now the first thing you do, you come down here, you'll hit the select all, and that moves all of these over here. And as you can see, I get 3,500 that I'm doing. So that's a little over a month, not much. Now further down is where you put your subject line from your email. Now there's a lot of different email swipes that you can use that are available. I would not use these because I don't use this for anything other than ClickBank. And in ClickBank, you have different products that you're promoting, and as you go to that affiliate page, they'll have email swipes that are proven and ready to go. All you have to do is copy and paste. That's it, copy and paste it. So when you go over there, they'll give you a subject line. You just copy that, paste it in here. Now this is where your email actually goes. And again, all you have to do is copy, paste. And then there'll be some place in there where you're going to have to put your link. Let's go back up here and let's go back to the home page. This is one of my links. So I'll just copy that real quick and show you, give you an idea. Back over here, let's say, let me put my glasses on so I can read a little bit better. This happens as you get older. Anyway, let's just say link entered is your link. So what you do is you come up here, you go here to link, and then you just paste it in there, boom, and come back. And there it is, you've got your link. Now what I do, just to make it easy, is I like to make it where it pops. Maybe it's red and I want to make it bold. So there it pops out, okay? And this is a perfect timing. And what that perfect timing does is somehow within this program, and it really doesn't matter how, but just know that it does, it'll search through all the leads that you have that you're mailing out to, and it decides through different logistics what's the best time to send that email out, and that's when it sends it out. And if you click this, you end up getting a better click-through than you do without it. So I just use it a lot, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Now another thing that's kind of important in emails, any of the emails you do, this right here is just a code that's used. We use it all the time because you want to, like say you'd copy that, put it in here, and paste it. And then you would put, you know, hey Johnny, hey Debbie, check out this link that you can earn an extra $800 a week. They're going to open that up quicker because it's got their name. And who doesn't like to have an email that's coming into them that you get to see your name? You're going to open it just because you're curious. Now at the same time, places down here, there'll be areas where you can actually insert the name. I usually insert your name at least twice within the email, and it seems to be working pretty good for me. Now once you've created that, if you hit this preview, you can check it out and you can see, like, did the link work? Yeah, boom, there it is, it's back. So you just close that. Now you know the link works, so you can close it, hit your email to send it. Now if we move over here to the stats that I was talking about, check this out. Now you can see on this one that I just sent, it was 3,400, and there's 435 people that's actually opened it, which is pretty decent. Not amazing, but pretty decent. But now that tells you that 12% of the people that got sent this opened it, and 49 of them clicked to find out what the email was about. You know, they clicked over to that other page. And it shows that they went through with 11%. Still not bad. Not great, but it's not bad. Now here's some that I didn't use that timing on, and you can see they're in the 11s. This one's still early, so it could be a lot more than what it is. Here's one down here, right there. I used it, 20%. That's impressive. Got 17, 16, 18, all of those I've used it. That's what I'm saying, that perfect timing really ends up working out for you. I think it's an amazing way to get your email out to a lot of people. So that's pretty much about it. I do hope you've enjoyed what you watched. And something I would tell you to do is hit that link, which is down in the information, and you can go there and watch this video. It's a good video, and it talks about income if that's something you want to look at. And it's like 9 minutes long. You got 9-10 minutes to spend just looking at something that could change your income. I think it's important. Check it out. Also, like I say, if you like this, how about you give me a like? And check out the information below. I've got basically my link over to ClickBank. I've got my link to the series video that I was talking about, and I've got the link that's going to take you to this page. And that way you can join that MLGS and get your leads moving. Okay? Have an amazing day.